This is the DE-19 digital interface from Radioddity, and it allows you to connect your G90 to your computer, allowing you to do cat control and sound card all through a single USB port. The big thing is that it allows you to have computer connection without giving up the connection for the amplifier like the GPA100. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, how to connect it to the G90, and how to configure it to run digital modes. But first, let's see what Radioddity includes. So the first thing is the manual. And the manual shows a connection for the G106, but there's no instructions for the G90 or any other radio. So it's not really helpful, but that's not a problem because I'll show you how to connect it. We have the cables that we'll go through in a minute. And then we have the DE-19 itself. It's a plastic case, but it seems pretty rugged. It has nice rubber feet on the bottom. The USB-C. We've got indicators for data transfer. It'll also light up if it's online or on air. The one thing that I don't like is if you see this, it doesn't quite line up with the connections. So the silk screening is not in line, but it's not that big of a deal. It's just me being OCD about it. So let's connect this. The thing that makes this such a great deal is that coming in around $70, you get everything you need with it. So you get all the cables. There's no having to find a specific cable for your radio or having to make your own cables for it. Everything you need to connect to the G90 and even the XPA100 or the GPA100 or the XPA125. So let's go ahead and connect it to the G90 and get going. So first we're going to use the accessory cable. It will plug in to the back of the G90 accessory port. Would do better if I didn't drop it off the stand. And then we plug it into the accessory port of the DE-19. Next is a part that's kind of confusing. If you look at the manual, you might do it wrong on this. You would think that this is the COM port. This plugs into the CIV port on the DE-19. And you actually want to bring it around and connect it to the side of the G90 in that bottom port there. It looks to me like a little human face, or a human head. And then we have the USB cable to connect it to our computer. And this is a typical USB-C to USB-A cable. And I'll plug it into this laptop through this adapter. We could hear that it connected. And it's now showing on the DE-19 that the USB is connected. This cable will save for connecting to the GPA100 amplifier, and I'll show you how we do that soon. So now I'm going to turn the radio on. Mute it. And I'm going to go over here and start up WSJTX. Now I'm going to go File Settings, go to Radio, and for Rig, you want to select the Xiegu G90. You want to select the serial port that it's on. I'm running Linux on this, but this works just fine on Windows as well. In Windows, you can go to Device Manager and find what USB port came active for this. In Linux, we could find it right here at the bottom of the list. The baud rate is 19,200. We'll do 8 data bits, 2 stop bits, and no handshake. At that point, you can go ahead and test the cat to make sure it's connecting. And it is, turned green. Now for the PTT method, I used RTS and selected the same port that I did just a minute ago. For mode, this really confused me and messed me up. I had it set at none at first, and when I would try to transmit with WSJTX, it would take the G90 and put it in USB mode, which you cannot use USB mode for digital modes. You have to use the USB digital mode. So it would continue to change to USB modes on me, and I was pulling my hair out. I couldn't figure out why it was doing that. I knew that I needed to set data in the mode in the settings, and I would set data and then I would test it and it would still switch. What you have to do is you have to set data and then hit OK and save. Then you could come back in and test the PTT. I also put split operation to fake it. But I could test PTT and that is working now because I had already done that and saved it. So if you run into that problem of it switching to USB mode on you, go in and make sure that you set it to data and hit OK and then go back in and try to test it again. You might need to set it to none and then back to data. It had me crazy. I tried a Windows laptop, I tried Linux, and it was doing it on all of them. I guess just needed to read the manual. Now that we have that done, we are configured and we could start doing FT8. Now, if you don't like FT8, that's fine. The DE-19 will allow you to use your G90 for any digital mode that you want. So you can use it for SSTV, MSK, whatever you want to do with it. So let's give it a try and see if we can get a contact here. Wait for one to pop up. Oh, one important thing before we do that. I need to show you that you need to hit power and turn your power down to 15 watts. Xiegu recommends you run 15 watts when you're doing digital because the higher duty cycle will cause it to heat up and we don't want to blow the finals in it. So we'll go ahead and do that. And we will go ahead and try Puerto Rico and see if we can get that. All right, looks like they answered somebody else. That's fine. We can wait or we can move on. Let's see what pops up here. Let's try this Kilo 4 Charlie. Now for antenna, I'm using a 20 meter quarter wave vertical. Actually using the one that I did that was the AliExpress. I'll put a link to the video. I'll put a link to the video here if you want to see that antenna. All right, so we're just not reaching those. I'm sure Kilo 4 Charlie is a pile up there. So we'll try a different station. Now one thing that you will notice is that I don't have any volume coming out of the G90. If you just push the volume knob in, it'll turn off the external speaker so we don't have to listen to that noise. And as we can see, we're not reaching anyone right at this moment with just 15 watts. Could be band conditions, not sure what's going on there. But this is where the DE-19 really shines because now we're going to go ahead and hook up the linear amplifier. So let me grab that and I'll show you how we do that. So for the amplifier, I'm going to use the GPA 100. You've seen this on my channel before. It's a great amplifier. And it pairs well with the Xiegu G90. So we'll just set it here right next to it. And the first thing we need to do is change the antenna cable over. And then this is where the other cable comes in. Like I said, they include everything you need in the box. So this will plug into the back of the linear. Let me come around so I can see it. This will plug into the ACC1 port. And then on the DE-19, there's a PA port, and that's where we plug this right into. The only thing left is we need to connect power to the linear. And we're ready to set it up. Now, before you even turn on your linear, we want to readjust the power level so that we are putting out no more than 5 watts. So I'm going to go ahead and set it at 2 watts. Just so we can start tuning up the amplifier, making sure everything's okay. You'll also know that it auto-selected the band. So if I was to change from 20 meter to say 40 meter, the linear amplifier will follow the G90 now. Now we don't want to transmit on 40 meter because we only have a 20 meter antenna right now. So let's go back to 20 meters. You also want to make sure when you're using a linear amplifier, you're not using the antenna tuner on the G90. So go ahead and hit that tune button until you see that indicator is off. And now that we know we've got a good 67 watts out with 4 watts going in, we are going to go ahead and try to make another contact and see what happens. We're going to try K4 TMR. And we immediately got a response with a good signal report of +3. And there we have the contact made. We will go ahead and log that. So the DE-19 makes it very simple to connect the G90 to your laptop and still be able to use the linear. With all the cables included, for $70, I think that's a really good value. So what would you use the DE-19 for? Which digital mode would you use? FT8, SSTV? Let me know in the comments. And I'll put a link in the description where you can get your DE-19 from Radioddity. Thank you for watching.